one can watermelon side my youth. Yeah, delicious, so weird, and healthy. You ready? Give me the, give me the, give me the, give me the watermelon, watermelon, and watermelon for me hydration. Listen the watermelon, watermelon, and watermelon for me hydration. After gym, nothing on the watermelon. Gun punch treadmill, and watermelon. When dry throat to run watermelon. Water for the body after gym session. Then I run 92% water. To the hydration, to the slaughter. When you lose mineral in a gymnasium, have to replace magnesium and potassium. Watermelon like a fortress for your body and a strengthen immune system. Put your body at ease, minimize cancer risk, them and heart disease. Vitamin A and the C's help your digestion. Have to believe in all the watermelon. Give me the, give me the, give me, give me the watermelon, watermelon, and watermelon for me hydration. Aye, listen the watermelon, watermelon, and watermelon for me hydration.